Hey guys, today I will talk about how can you disable newsletter on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it. On your photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down, you come here to newsletter here. So just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean here newsletter disable with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it here. That's all I wish know you I gave it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.